How to fix Facebook not loading properly on Chrome. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open Chrome browser. Simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this three dot icon. Scroll below, simply tap on settings. Inside setting, tap on privacy and security. Now scroll below and here you will be able to find an option that says third-party cookies. Tap onto it. Scroll below again, tap on see all site data and permission. And just like that, you can simply use the search bar to search for Facebook. Once you search for it, you will be able to find a trash icon beside it. Simply tap onto it, and just like that, this clears all your Facebook cache files from Chrome. After that, scroll down and then tap on extensions, and just like that, turn them all off. Sometimes a third-party extension can interfere with how website loads, and Facebook is no exception. Once your extensions are disabled, head to Facebook and just like that, see if it loads properly. If it's still not working, you can try opening Facebook in a different browser such as Edge, Firefox, or Safari. This will help you figure out whether the issue is specific to Chrome or something else entirely. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.